Hello folks, today's episode Daniel's going to be going down through trimming some of these tomato plants up. A little bit more airflow gets through there. Every now and then we've been seeing a few leaves there, don't like the way they look. We've been snipping them off. We've still been going ahead and going through and spraying them, but Lord willing, everything will work out just fine. We haven't got our shade cloth up yet on this episode. We did get it up the other day, and it has helped out tremendously. It's cooled it down in there from what it was, and I went ahead and ordered another one to cover the whole caterpillar tunnel. It's going to be longer than what we need, but I'm going to cut it and we'll have it for our little greenhouse. Hopefully next year there we'll need it for that one. Coming up a little bit later on, we're going to be doing some work on the little greenhouse. It does good and everything, but we're going to try to fix it where it's insulated so we'll be able to grow a little bit more stuff on further into the winter. We'll put a little heater in there on them cold nights, and we're going to fix some insulation up there at the top. We won't be using a fan. We're going to be using 2 sheets of plastic, but I won't let you in on what we're going to be using yet. It may not work. I think it will, but we'll see. And if it does work, we'll let you know. And if you want to try it, you all can too there. I believe it's going to come down to it there. We're going to have to start trying to raise some more of our own food. It's no telling what we're about to see. Prices are going up and everything in the stores. Everything's going up. Our wages ain't really going up to catch up with what's going on the prices in the stores. But Daniel there, he's doing a great job going down through there. That there lets some more airflow get around them tomato plants. And like I said before, we'll throw them tomato plant cuttings there in the middle, and then we'll come back down through with a rake and get them, and we get them outside away from the tomato plants. If there is any kind of blight or sickness there, we don't want it staying in there with the tomatoes. We don't want it in the ground, we want to get rid of it. Trust me, folks, it's worth all this work. After Carolyn cans it, tomato juice up, tomato sauce, salsa. Oh Lord, it's good there. Them cold days, pop a can of that open, it's good. Folks, I believe he's wrapping up this video here. If you've stayed with us this long, if you would, please like and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification. Hope you all have a blessed day. And just, y'all stay safe. Thank you again for watching.